Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Raft on Xbox. First, ensure you have an Xbox Series X or S console, as Raft is optimized for these systems. You can purchase the game digitally from the Xbox Store. It offers a rich survival adventure, allowing you to build, scavenge, and explore a vast ocean world. Get ready for hours of fun. Once you've launched Raft, your immediate goal is survival. You'll start on a small raft with a hook. Use this hook to gather debris floating in the ocean, which is crucial for crafting and expanding your base. Remember to keep an eye on your hunger and thirst meters. Finding food and water is paramount to staying alive in this challenging environment. As you gather more resources, you can begin to transform your small raft into a multi-story floating home. The research table is vital for unlocking new crafting recipes, allowing you to build more complex items and structures. Be prepared to defend your raft from the ever-present shark, which will try to destroy your foundations. Crafting weapons is key. Beyond your raft, the ocean holds many secrets. You'll encounter various islands, each offering unique resources and challenges. These islands are essential for progressing through the game's story, often leading you to important locations like radio towers. Exploration is a huge part of Raft, so prepare to set sail and uncover the mysteries of the vast blue sea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.